guys, welcome back to my channel PAMSSTATION, and in today's video, as you already read the title, I have a clothing haul, and this is my first collab with a US brand. Actually, this is a Korean brand. You might have read the title. It's Yesstyle, and Yesstyle is a well-known brand here in United States, and I'm so happy and thankful and grateful for this moment to collaborate with Yesstyles. I received an email that they would love to collaborate and they wanted to send few outfits, so I am here with a clothing haul and I will definitely do a try on haul. I have worn these outfits in natural sunlight. Well, there is no sunlight here. It's complete snowfall since 2-3 days, so it's snowing outside, and I have done this try on haul outside, so you will definitely get to know the proper color, the exact color of the outfits. So I'm just sitting in the room. There are yellow lights here. I hope you all don't mind because of the color is not white, but I will definitely show you all the exact color in the natural lights. So let's get started with my clothing haul. So before I get started with my haul, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit like in this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. It will really mean a lot. I have almost 4 or 5 outfits here with me, and these are from Yesstyles. Yesstyle is a website. It's a Korean Korean brand, all skincare and beauty, makeup and clothing from Korea. So amazing skincare and beauty and makeup products. I would definitely love to try out their skincare. I will be so happy to try the skincare products as well. So first outfit which I wanted to share, I tried. First on I have here is this t-shirt, which I'll be sharing a try on. The picture or a video, if I have, I will share on the screen for you guys to have an idea. The first one is this t-shirt. Printed on that is Arizona, it's mentioned here. It's so soft. This is short sleeves, little extra size. Okay, and this t-shirt comes in one size, so everything details the shoulder, the breast size, the hand sleeve size, everything is mentioned in detail on the website. So if in case you want to compare, or if you know what's your size, you can compare as per the outfit size, and then you can go ahead and add to your cart. So this is very soft. I chose the Arizona t-shirt, and this comes in one size, and this is very soft. So this is 100% cotton. The price of this is almost close to $15. So don't worry you guys, if you like any of the outfits, I will share the link in my description box below. Also, if you use my code PAMSSTATION, you can save some money in your cart. So don't forget to use my coupon code PAMSSTATION as well. So this is the first outfit, Arizona. There are so many other t-shirts which have amazing and cute prints on it. Definitely check that out on their website. I really love this. This is so soft. I feel I'm going to wear this almost 5 days in a week. This is the same shirt. So definitely check this out. You need to grab this right away. The next one, I really love this. Actually, when I got this, I thought this is not going to fit me. I just tried it and I left it. It's upside down. So I thought this is not going to fit me. This looks so sleek, but look at the size. This is very nice, super stretchable. This fits me perfectly. I really love the color. I chose in the color almond. They had so many beautiful colors, like in brown, in blue, in pink, nudish color, dark brown. There was black, there was gray. I think there was more than 7 to 8 colors. You can choose any color you like. And this is the turtleneck. This is the turtleneck pattern, also very stretchable. You can fold it 2 times You can fold it 2 times like this. I have folded twice in that picture, and it comes like this. And the sleeves are also full sleeves, and it comes till your waist, and this is very stretchable, very soft. Let me check. This also comes in one size but many colors, and everything is mentioned: the shoulder width, bust, sleeve length, total length of the shirt, everything is mentioned on their website. The material is mentioned here as acrylic, and the price of this was close to $17.38. So it's $17.38. So if you use my code PAMSSTATION, you will also save some money on your cart. So the name of this shirt is Tiny Times Plain Ribbed Long Sleeve Turtleneck. So my shade, I chose almond. So if you like the same one, you can choose almond, and it's one size. My size, everything I'll mention in the description box for your reference. If in case you want to know, you can check in my description box and the link as well. On top of that white, I styled with this. This is the third outfit. It's a cute jacket, green checks jacket. There is another material inside this jacket in green, and outside is green. Can you see? So pretty this looks. This really reminds me of Korean or dramas which I watch, the BTS kind of team, everything. They look so cute in checks. So this is the one, little big blocks. So there is a yellow and orange kind of lines here, and this is proper green. The material reminds me kind of jute material, but in soft. This doesn't, you don't feel like scratching your skin, or it doesn't irritates your skin. This is very nice and soft on your skin. And yes, this is very thick as well, so you might as well wear this during the winter season as well. And I really love that they have a pocket here. There is one pocket here, as well as I think there is pocket here as well. So you can style it in, if you want to click any pictures, you can keep both your hands inside the pockets, and you can click pictures. So that's how it looks. And there is buttons like this, round buttons. You can close the buttons as well. So it's called as plain long sleeve top A line. No, this is plaid jacket. So there is a picture in that on the website. So they have, the girl is wearing 3 set jacket. Inside this jacket, she was wearing a yellow shirt and a yellow skirt. So you can choose which outfit you want. So I chose the jacket what the girl was wearing, and this was priced for around $30.90. So material is mentioned here as acrylic blend. That's a material name. I am not sure what is that, but this is acrylic blend. Color is plaid jacket, green. And yes, the size of this is mentioned: total length, bust, shoulder, sleeve length, and the total length of the this jacket is mentioned in on the website, Yesstyle website. So do check that out, and don't forget to use my coupon code PAMSSTATION to save some money on your cart. Okay, the fourth one is pant. I chose one cargo pant. This was little tight for me. I should have chosen size M, but this was size S. So this is little tight, like after wearing my zip was opening. So this was in size S, and they have mentioned is in inches. My size here comes around 74 to 75 centimeters. That was an M. I forgot to check out the the size information, and I just added S, so that's why this was tight. But I will share a picture here. It was looking very nice. Only the second one thing was this was tight for me, but the material is so soft. I wish I should have chosen M size. And I really love the pattern of this thing here. You need to tie and then this will give you that tight pattern below your legs. There is this pocket here, there is pocket here, and there is one pocket here behind. So there are both the sides. Behind pocket is there, inside there is a pocket, here also there is a pocket, and there is this drawstring right below. So it's very nice pattern. There is elastic here and there is a zipper here. So only is that this is little thin material, so you might as well wear a leggings or you know, stockings inside a nude color or a black or a white color, so this won't look transparent. But I really loved it. I really should have taken M size, but it's okay. Maybe when I'll become little slim I will wear S. So that's how I styled it. I wore it on this almonds turtleneck. It was really looking nice, but if I'll wear red on top of this, this will really look nice. So this is white. If I wear blue or red, anything which is in dark t-shirt, if I buy in future, I will definitely wear it on top of this. This was this cargo pant. It is soft, it is not cotton. It's mentioned here as 100% polyester, complete white, and you can hand wash it. Also you can machine wash it. The price of this, it's mentioned here as $26.90, so it is somewhere close to $27. And this was in size S. My waist was 30 centimeters, so that comes to close to 75 or 76 inches. So if you are somewhere close to me, I would recommend to grab the M size. So, and don't forget to use my code PAMSSTATION to save some money on your cart. They have in black, they have in black and white only, and size M and S and L. So check that out. I will share the link in my description box for you guys. Research everything, material, the size, the price, everything, and then go ahead and add to cart. Last but not the least, I chose this hoodie top. I really loved it. Everything all till now, all the outfits I chose was so nice and cute, and material was just awesome. Everything was soft. They didn't, you know, irritate me at all. So this is hoodie top, which is also soft material inside and outside is also soft. There is this pattern here, black line on the sleeves, and this is the sleeves elastic thing here, and on both the side sleeves are there, so you can just zip it. And there is mentioned here Lua Destelio. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. So there is this pocket here and also here, so you can style it wearing your, putting, you know, hands inside. I chose this in M. This was perfect for me. A little larger size, so that if I wear a t-shirt or a sweatshirt, I can wear this jacket and it will look the best. So you can check out the try on. The material, this is named as contrast Iduna contrast trim zip hoodie. That's the name of this top. And the material is mentioned here as 70% polyester, 30% cotton. That's why this was soft. So inside is cotton, I think, and outside is polyester. And this is fleece lined gray color. Yes, this is gray color. I hope my camera is picking it properly. This is gray, and the lines on the sleeves, it's black. Zip is nice and perfect. Material is also nice. This will look very nice on any color top you wear it inside. I chose in the size M. The price of this was $22.90. So 20 out of, around $22 to $23. So you can use my code PAMSSTATION and you can save some money in your cart. So guys, these are the outfits which I shopped from Yesstyle, and the brand sent these to me. So this is all the opinions are my own. I hope you guys loved this haul. If you ever shop from Yesstyle, please let me know how is your experience or which is your best outfit from there. I will also check that out. And don't forget to use my code PAMSSTATION if you want to save some money. I will share all the links in my description box below. Please do check that out and share this video to all your friends and family on your WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere, whichever sites you have, however you coordinate with your friends and relatives. Please share this video to your friends. It will really mean a lot. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit like as well. You can also follow me on my Instagram. My ID is just chill with Pam, where I share amazing stories. I've recently moved from India to US, so I need lots of support from you guys. Thank you so much for all your love. If you have stayed with me till the end of this video, thank you so much for your love and support. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.